South African wear parts manufacturer Vesconite Bearings has increased its Virginia-based factory capacity and ramped up its 3-, 4-, and 5-axis machining capability in line with expected future demand for more complex machined parts made from Vesconite's advanced engineered materials. The Vesconite Bearings factory spans 20,000 square meters and features advanced extrusion, injection molding, and CNC machining facilities. Standard stock shapes, including rods, bushings, and plates, as well as high-precision machined parts, are produced at the company's ISO-certified factory in the Free State. It is one of the largest polymer engineering facilities in the world.
The machining capabilities at Vesco is quite advanced. In the last 13 to 15 years, we've gone over to CNC machining. We've exceeded over 80 CNC machines with the capacity of 2-axis, 3-axis, multi-axis, 4th axis, and 5-axis machining. It's been able to get us into the market where we can produce high volumes of bushing. The bushing that we are doing in our plant, our latest plant, is 7 days a week, and we can pump these bushes out 24 hours a day.
Vesconite Bearings CEO Dr. Jean-Patrick Leger explains that Vesconite is machined on standard metalworking equipment, noting that components can be machined to precise tolerances.
We have always focused on high precision, long life bearing materials that do not require regular greasing. So the idea is that you install these products and that hopefully you'll never have to grease them or grease them very seldom. So our focus has been on producing premium, long-life products and precision machining of those products.
Apart from the factory's extensive machine and equipment range, the facilities include compounding, extrusion, molding, and construction shops. Vesconite's products are shipped directly from the factory to all corners of the globe, with typical deliveries taking 2 to 14 days.